YouTube, YouTube. What's up, YouTube? It's a boy, Tyrekevlogs here, Tyrekevlogs here with another vlog for you all. No, not a vlog. This is Sunday talk, people. I'm telling you, every Sunday, I come on YouTube and I just make a video. No editing it, nothing. Just talk to you and show you some things. Just talk about things we are trending basically and giving a life update for the channel. And as you all know, your boy Cop. What this are going? Ambulance people. And second time I see ambulance come for that place, you know. And when the ambulance come, it come with the fire truck, it come with everything. But thank God I'm not coffee, sorry, I can get back to my video now. But anyways. You see me? So I mean no editing, but as I was saying still guys, drop the iPhone already. Wait. Jano, how are you going there? Jesus Christ, no, I'm trouble. Woo! Trouble there. I'm a baby. Anyways, I will come to talk about today. First thing on the agenda, people. Hold on. Face. Hold on. Hold down. Yeah, first thing we come to talk about, people. Mackerel official boy nose. And people have said she look like one goat. Like one goat in the old video. My camera stop record at 10 minutes exact. So if you see the video, just cut when it reach 10 minutes. Because the camera stop record. Okay, peeps? Yeah. But anyways, my screen record it. Touch part it then. Find it back. Alright, people. A good reaction to this. Tell big old woman she get ice cream. Oh God.
No, you all are on. All are on and don't make sure all are on. Yeah, man. Simple.
What are you put that?
Get ice cream. Ease the babes.
Where do you put that seat? Oh God. Yo, we say, hold on, stop the video. Yo, but never laugh so hard, yo. Last time I see this, I couldn't believe it. I was gonna make a whole separate video about it, people, but Jada. I make a comedy video about it, you know. And I said, no, we just see if we have something interesting to talk about in the Sunday talk. Mackerel, I think so you're big and bad and bold. Oh, you move, so. Some girl that's in the state, that's so. I know some girl that's hold that. Jada, man, Mackerel, man. Happy. I want to go on the place up. You see, the thing with I'm gonna realize since America people, if I know somebody sick, somebody in the house sick, the ambulance will come plus a fire truck. Why the fire truck? But yeah, that's a who is text me. Nah. Anyways, yeah, done. Next thing I have to talk about in that video here, people, YouTube. Now me sure, iPhone, hold on. iPhone and a Samsung boy. Anyways, my YouTube people. So but if you collect my first paycheck last week, Friday, right? Guess what going on, people? No, basically this month, not last week Friday, this month. Now I was trying to connect my bank account to it, and because I was in Jamaica when I build the AdSense account, I can't get to collect my money because the bank can't link to it. The bank has to be located in Jamaica. One bag of issue. I don't want to bust my brain on that right now. So I had to create a whole new AdSense account with my United States documents and thing and start back from $0. Because I don't really need it for money, I don't need money, I do it because I do it for fun, people, honestly. But it's nice to get people something you love to do. But yeah, that's basically what happened. And yeah. So I start from $0. So I post consistent same way. I don't really give a damn. I post so you guys excitement basically, your excitement. But anyways, that's it basically YouTube update. You understand? Yeah. But I still get back monetized, thank gosh. I reach them limit long time, but I don't know when I get back monetized. I didn't know I would get monetized same time. I'm trying to cut out the patois talking and just start standard English because I want to enlarge my audience. Now we're going to watch Jada Kingdom banana video. Jeez and peace. She want to like banana. I say what means me rich. Oh, good. We just Just brush 4 minutes, people. Everything govern. Just brush 4 minutes. Jada Kingdom. Banana. Just give me 2 days ago she reached 100K. Yo, the thumbnail just shot people. She thumbnail. Rotate a bitch. Alright, anyways. How much channel Jada Kingdom one have so? The banana there. Banana there. Mess with banana there. Alright. Like this. Banana this. Alright. Pretty well. I never watch it drop. I'm gonna watch it spitefully because I want to watch it on YouTube. No one get copyright, you know. She drive a buggy and thing. Well. Now I watch the video. I'm not gonna put it up on, but guess what? Guess what I realized first of all? She dep on the iPhone, but guess what? It's the XR. It's not the XS Max. Oh, someone up. Alright, yeah. Guys, go watch my iPhone vlog video, people. Go watch it. It dropped last night. You see me? Go watch it. She have all binoculars a fast pan people. Well on, man. I like the team though, everything yellow. You see man, the car, the buggy she drive yellow and everything bad. Yeah. So imagine this now. Me I drive. As a girl, I drive and you see a man on the road around. I go stop and put and talk to him. No man, Jada, don't know that. Oh, if you don't watch the video, people, go watch it to yourself. But I don't want to get copyright or nothing, so I don't want to put it on the screen. You see me? What? Yeah. Oh. Soccer mommy. Bomba. Yo, she walk on her 2 of them. Yo, that hard for doing my walk by your toe, tip toe. No man. And she bung some banana. So see, if that never end something with her wrong, man. Oh God. She completely naked and banana cover the breast and banana cover the pums. Oh. Oh la la. Oh. Wonder if a banana there inside. Yeah. She worship banana still. I like that shot, yeah. I like that shot, yeah. I like the shot when she just don't have on. I have to watch more of the video. I see what I want to say already. I like the shot when she just have the banana over the thing and thing. You see me? And the thing and thing. That does, yeah. That catch me eye. West can talk, but what is that trend in Jamaica, people? How much minutes I'm gone? Gone 8 minutes. So the video soon done. I'm telling you, the camera gonna stop recording at 10 minutes exactly, peeps. You understand? That's how the camera set up. You know what I mean? But yeah. Alright. Where's the Jamaica? Where's that trend in Jamaica, honestly? Do some shoutouts. Subscriber shoutout. Subscriber shoutout. Subscriber shoutout. Shoutout one on for the end of the video. Simple 1, 2. No? Shoutout everyone now. Alright, so I'm going to boom, I'm going to dashboard. But guys, there's one in the comments on my video, and I'll see in the comments in the next video I'm post. So you can comment down in the comment section just if you know what's your name. So I shout out to Janice. I shout out to Viral Songs. Yeah. And I shout out to Tasha Cole. Tasha Cole comment on all of them. Thanks Tasha. And I shout out to Andrew Robinson. To Andrew, my friend, bad thing. Gaza Girl X, you bad. Shy. She comment on my first on the video, so she go subscribe. And after she subscribe, she start comment. Thank you, girl. Isn't me? Thanks for subscribing. I shout out to Tyrekevlogs myself. Kevin Banks again, yo. Everything in comment on. I shout out to Bryce. You, when I buy the iPhone from the Walmart, the AT&T worker, guys. I don't know what them call it. Sales representative. Yes. Shout out to him. Shout out to Fully Charged Vevo. People, go check out if you want some real Jamaican music or upcoming artists, check out Fully Charged. I'm my artist that, you see me? Fully Charged, Vevo, bad. Shout out to Be Loved Dreams. Be of Dreamers, yeah. Shout out to she. Check out her child, guys.